Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is celebrating his birthday. And we here at Mixup Blend Up would like to say happy birthday to you, Dwayne. And we wish you all the best in life. We wish you joy, peace, happiness, love, and prosperity throughout this your year. Well, Dwayne is on his life and basically he's addressing a few issues. And this has to be this issue is surrounding Ashanti. Now, as you know, he came out yesterday and he spoke about Ashanti dragging kids allegedly through social media. So now this is the same thing, but however, this is from also Lorraine and Michelle. Okay, so they will be addressing a few issues as well. And Dwayne will be coming in and speaking about this as well. He also called out a person called Shelly. He said that he was the one who introduced her basically to social media. He was the one who introduced people to her, you know, um, put her out there. And he's saying that she's doing the same thing allegedly. And he doesn't like that, basically. He's saying that they could curse him, but he is not allowing them to, to bring him down, basically. So he's like, my mom is here and she's going to be able to do everything that she's doing for me. And I'm still happy that she's here. So if I was in a position, for my Pampers to be changed, if I was wearing Pampers, then my mom would have been here. That's what he said. So guys, go ahead and go check out the video and see what Dwayne has to say about the situation with Ashanti and Shelly. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And as always, my persons out there, which are my newbies and my my subscribers, I'm sorry, that are following me for a long time. If any one of you out there are celebrating birthdays today, I wish you joy, happiness, peace, love, prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters out there, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day with peace, happiness. Keep a smile upon your face and don't let anyone remove that. Have a great one now.
Fix up my argument. Let me fix up my argument. Child abuser. Because sit down, when I say child abuser, I mean someone who loves to drag little babies and class them to the lowest form and class young minors to the lowest form. You are a child abuser. Go sit down, dog. Go sit down, is a dog. I mean, I'm telling you the truth. I will never like you. You are a disgrace to humanity. You are a disgrace to manhood. You are a disgrace. You're a despicable human being. You're a dog. Go sit down.
The call embassy for you as American citizen.
And I don't care who don't agree. We're not big
snakes.
snakes.
Jamaica, they arrest you nasty. You're not supposed to in the country. You're not supposed to come post about gun in and a license deed. Batty boy. I say you beat up yourself because you want people frightened for you. Nobody not frightened for you. You're a big batty boy.
Workless human being.
Can look like every month when you are see your period at them time you come up on social media and go and expect people for frightened for you. Nobody not frightened for you. But you have voice note for Lauren. Play it, no batty boy. Play it. What you think it's going to do? Them do Lorraine the worst out here. Lorraine is still standing.
Still standing.
Drunk crow. Illiterate drunk crow. Lorraine Brown is still standing. Michelle Bradshaw is still standing. Bobby is still standing. Batty boy.
Period. Period.
Eh? And you get on social media try size up with people who are life better than your own. Move and go. Your name should be on the sex offenders list. You're drunk crow, yo. You think nobody over here is afraid for you? You think you can use your mouth and frighten nobody over here, sir? And pull up, batty boy.
Abusing children like you're doing something good. Go and sit down.
Go on your love and say, Bob, meet me. I shall let Bob meet you this and show you who is Bob. Batty boy, you're clown on this.
Please like and share. Please like and share. Why are the people here coming here to things then, please?
You a skunk. Look at you. Look at the likes of you.
I'm begging you.
You don't have one job, you get up and say as a man, you go do a 9 to 5 and go and you live off of people, you dirty piece of job. Lord, go and play your memories.
We don't want to hear no memories. We don't want to hear no memories. If it's memories Lorraine is going in, we don't want to hear. We want that little part so we know where we stand. And Ashanti, you are a disgrace to humanity. You're a dog. You're a shit house. Excuse my language, people. Excuse my language. When the opposite, it means a shit house. The fact that a grown adult in his 50s can come on social media and drag a little baby, a newborn baby, 6 months old newborn baby, a 4-year-old little girl, and countless other little children, right? Curly's little grandbaby, Donna's young son, Donna Mina came and put in it, Donna young son who's no more than 11 years old now, and drag them to filth. And you're telling me I should like you? I would never like you. No matter what me and Donna go have, I would never cuss her like a Pitney. You mad? Shit, I would never cuss her Pitney. I would never cuss her children, period. There's a dog. Go sit down. There's a shit house. And I would never like you. I can't like you. Because you are a disgrace. And all of those planker women who sit down in your live stream, I don't care, because all of them over there is planks. Planks, I'm talking about you. The one who sits down on Ashanti's live stream with that dirty smell of Stacey. You two, all of you are a disgrace to humanity. And Stacey, you can't curse me. You can't curse me. Let me address it before I'm going on my next conversation. Stacey, you can't curse me. You talk about bad mind spirit, drunken spirit, all kind of spirit. You are exactly that. You are a disgrace to society. Shit, you don't know if you're a man or a woman. You don't know if you're to be a man or a woman. I know who I am, and I am comfortable with myself, right? You can't curse me. You think I heard you said something about an 8.5. Darling, I have a 9. Something I'm not mad over no 8.5. Go and sit down. You is the one who's mad over 8.5 because you wish you had an 8.5 down there, so but all you have is a clitoris and 2 flaps and a strap on. Girl, you can't curse me. I am not gonna go down there with you because you are not worth my time. Any woman who comes out here and do the most and drag children or condone someone dragging children, I won't like you. I will never like you. Never, ever. You say you don't like me? Okay, great. I'm me first, never like you. And when we realized you was a dog, I distance myself from you. You realize? And bear in mind, I was the one who put you out there. Put it out there to the world for people to know who you was. I see. This is where I always go wrong. I always give the wrong people clout or acknowledgement. Stacey, you claim I'm looking to come back, darling. I've never gone away. Me never gone away. It was for me to find back myself and draw my people to me. Them there now. Even if all them over here right now is not from me, okay, great. Them still there right now. Don't worry yourself. I am good. The best of me is yet to come, and I'm gonna show all of you how blogging is meant to be done, where we can all come out here and have a respectful conversation without putting any kind of bad words or whatever. Listen, none of you is like me. Put all of you together when it cannot make one of me, and that's all I'm gonna tell you. Go on your live and drag me now. I'm gonna tell you one final thing. You claim I wear diapers, right? Okay, even if I do wear diapers, which is not true, but if I did, my mother is still on this earth to come and help me change my diapers per se, if I needed her to. My mother is here to help me clean my home, and I didn't ask her to, but she still come. She's here to help me clean my home, change my alleged diapers, whatever, and go grocery shopping, whatever. I have my mother right on this earth to help me to do things, and God knows why my mother is still here, because I'm blessed and my family's blessed. We don't come out here, we don't degrade people, we don't drag children, we don't do none of that stuff. Yes, I like gossip, but I like gossip with a difference, and me and you were not the same, and that's all I'm gonna tell you. Bye. Go drag me, go do your worst. I'm good now. I'm now come on to come and adjust it, because you're not worth my time. Let's move